The EFF will not be voting for and will not support any candidate put forward by the ANC in all municipalities for all positions, including positions of Speaker, Chief Whips and Mayors.
I-EFF ithi oko imaxhaphethu ibamba ingxoxo kunye namaqela ezopolitiko malunga nokubambisana koomasipala ekungekho qela lezopolitiko liphumelele ngesininzi kubo. Ethetha kule nkomfa inkokheli yalombutho umnumzana Julius Malema uvakalise ukuba phakathi kwezithembiso nemigaqo-nkqubo efunwa leli qela kokuthathwa komhlaba obuyiselo eluntwini ngaphandle kwembuyekezo, ukufakwa kwebhanka yeli nguvimba phantsi korhulumente nokucinywa kwamatyala abafundi. Kungaphelanga iinyanga ezili-12 phakathi kwamaqela ezakusebenzisana nawo i-EFF, yi-IFP ne-MAP 16 kodwa ikhuphe yatsola yokuba ayizukusebenzisana ne-ANC.
The negotiation team held 2 official meetings with Action SA in South Africa, while there was a degree of mutual understanding and to some extent agreements with Action SA on the approach to municipalities to which they represented in. We learned via media that Action SA will not work with the EFF in the manner in which we had proposed. We respect Action SA decision on the coalition and hope that their decision is autonomous from external influences. Inkatha Freedom Party. The negotiation team held 1 meeting with the IFP and established sufficient consensus to collaborate in many hung municipalities in KwaZulu-Natal. The negotiation team met with MAP 16 and its coalition partners in Malutiapofu municipality and agreed to constitute part of the voting bloc that will remove the ruling party from power in Malutiapofu.
I-EFF igqibe kolokuba iyeke ingxoxo zobambiswano ne-ANC nanjengoko kungekho nto kuvunyelwane ngayo kwiziphakamiso zeli qela.
The negotiations team held 2 meetings with the ANC and did not establish any consensus on anything because the ANC delegation did not concede to any of the negotiations principles and policies which we believe should form the foundation of any collaboration. Instead, the ANC wanted to rush into discussing power sharing and position in municipalities before discussing the principle and policies raised by the EFF. Based on this report, War Council resolved to stop coalition discussions and negotiations with the ANC because they are failing to provide clear commitments and timelines on the key issues raised as the basis for negotiations.
Ukanti seza kupapashwa imigaqo yentsebenziswano ye-EFF kunye nalamaqela ezopolitiko kwiindaba ze-SABC ndinobathembu Zanzi.